Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 10 of the Cougar Connection. We had a busy week, but a good week here at Simons Middle School last week, as you can see from the pictures that are in the connection. We do have several activities and events occurring this week. On Monday, we will have an admin team meeting. It is also going to be RPS Day, also known as Rock, Paper, Scissors Day. If you haven't seen the video yet created by Cougar Council, you can do so on our Facebook page. On Tuesday, we will not have any school at district-wide. There is going to be some meetings throughout the district on that day, so bus drivers will meet at our school at 9 a.m. on that day. On Wednesday, there's an impact meeting and a principal's meeting. On Thursday, teachers will have PLCs. There's also a counselor's cadre, and Cougars for Christ members will be visiting KCU. We will also have our MSU students on campus, and we do have a parent meeting, Purple Parrots teachers. On Friday, it is Bring It Friday, and it's going to also be Veterans Day. We do have a free Veterans Day breakfast for any veteran and their family that would like to come to SMS that morning. And there is also a KISTI conference. Over the weekend, next weekend, we're going to wish a happy birthday to Miss Jefferson and Miss Lori Shanklin. And now on to our student spotlight for this week. It's congratulations to our football team members who are being recognized as being part of the EKC All-Conference team. They've worked hard both on and off the field since late July. They represented themselves with great integrity on the field and in the classroom. We appreciate the dedication of all of our student athletes, and these are our EKC All-Conference team standouts. 7th grade, Jashawn Stewart, Rylan Earlywine, Andrew Smoot, and Noah Sparks. And in 8th grade, Trevor Plank, Paxton Jones, Jet Martin, Ty Hawkins, Jackson Ross, and Garrison Kidder. So congratulations, boys. Very proud of your many accomplishments, and we can't wait to see what other amazing things you do here this year at Simons Middle School Cougars. Parents and students, don't forget about the winter formal. That is going to be on December 9th in our Simons Middle School gym from 6:30 to 8:30. And also, if you need banners, posters, we also now have the ability to print stickers and make trophies and plaques. You can call Mrs. Wagner in the library. You can call the school at 606-845-9331. She does have the ability to print all of those things. And we also still have the sign up open for our Indianapolis trip for 6th graders. And we do have a Cougars for Christ fundraiser ongoing right now for shirts. If you would like to order a t-shirt for Cougars for Christ, you can just send the money into the main office. And that is the same as with our Bring It orders. We will try to get another order sent in for Bring It shirts before we leave for Thanksgiving break. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.